1000.
Sorry, could you let Nell in? The other door. I keep forgetting.
Cool. Ah, yeah, excellent. You've been land by the way.
Oh, thanks, mate. There we go, clear the land.
Thank you.
Which is good. That's it. So yeah, following the flight direction, as you can see, the glide slope is coming in nicely.
Yep.
Landing checklists. Start switch continuous, speed brake is armed, landing gear down, flaps looking okay.
That's going right up.
Just approach. Here we go.
500.
Flight director.
400.
That's it.
So I just chase the flight director.
Yep.
300.
That's it. Now having a look outside,
Yep.
200.
holding it there, let the flight director go.
Approaching minimums.
That's it.
100.
Basically,
Minimums.
our landing attitude is just check 1 degree.
50.
That's it.
40. 30. 20.
Hold it
Yeah.
there. There we go, we're down. So we'll get into reverse basically.
Yep.
2 green lights here.